Well, if you're planning for a trip to Bali, then along with your visa, passport and all other details, you will need to pay a tax or a fee which is known as the Bali Tourist Fee. Yes, this has been introduced by the Indonesian government from February 2024, and you can apply it online, which I'm going to show you in this video, or you can directly go at the Denpasar airport and pay it during your visa on arrival process. The total sum is almost around 800 Indian rupees, and in US dollars it's almost like $10, not even 10, like it's 9.91 US dollars. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video and let's go directly to the screen. And if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, as I always tell you, and do watch the full video because it's going to be very informative as well. And let's go. Come on. Well, first you need to open Google Chrome, and right over here you need to type I love Bali, and this is the website. You need to go Love Bali, welcome to Bali, the island of gods. You can actually get this app at your Android phone or your iPhone as well from your Google or Apple Play Store. And as you can see, pay tourist levy. This is the place where you need to pay your payments. The total amount is 150,000 or 1,50,000 IDR. It's almost around 9.19 USD, as I've already told you. You need to put down your name, email ID, your passport number and your date of birth, and after that you need to select on which platform you want to submit your payment from, and then you need to click submit. So once it's submitted, then you will be getting a form at your mail ID, active mail ID, and you can download it from here, which I'm going to show you next. So this is actually the process. Is very simple. As you can see, it takes maximum 5 to 10 minutes time to fill up the entire thing and submit it and pay it. And during your payment, do remember to keep your international usage on, because if it's not on, then the payment won't be done, because they will charge you in the form of IDR or USD as you select. So once the payment is done, you will be getting something like this in your mail. This is the form which they are going to provide you, and you can always download it, just like I have did, because I'm going to show this at the airport. And if you are going directly to the airport and doing the thing, you can always do that. It's the same, but I will definitely suggest you do it at your home, because once you are at the airport and if you are going for the visa on arrival process as well, then it will take you a lot of time to do the visa on arrival first and then do this particular thing. So better that you do it at your home, and it will save you a lot of time at the airport as well. So if you found the video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And as I've already told you, I've made a dedicated video on how you can apply for Indonesian e-visa. You can always check that out if it's needed for you for your future trip to Indonesia or Bali. So see you all again in the next video, and if you have any queries or anything, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer each and everyone's question. Come on, bye bye, take care.